Hey guys, it's Anthony Bandiero here with Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, giving you another roadside chat. Today's question is one that I get all the time around the country, and it's important. So let's go through it. Can you get consent to search a home from a spouse, even if the non-consenting spouse has left? Okay, so the answer is yes. You can use that consent, even if the person who is non-consenting, let's say the wife will allow you to search the home, but the husband is like, no way, you cannot search the house, and he tells you, you know, that my lack of consent is good for the next 2 years, right? And then he goes to the store, he goes to work, he gets arrested, and the question is can we now go back to the wife and ask her for her consent, even though we know that her husband has already said no? And the answer is absolutely yes. Here's why. When a spouse leaves the property for a lawful reason, for example, they get arrested, and that arrest was not done to remove them from the environment, but done for a lawful reason, domestic, warrant, whatever. Or they go to the store to get a six-pack of beer. They are taking the risk that the person that they leave behind will betray their trust. All law enforcement officers need to conduct a consensual search on a house, apartment, whatever, is valid consent from someone with apparent authority, and a non-consenting spouse or roommate is not present at the time of the search. That's what it is. That's the rule. This comes from a Supreme Court case called California versus Fernandez. Now, many officers are thinking about a case called Georgia versus Randolph, where the non-consenting husband was on scene and says, you cannot search my house. The wife said yes, husband said no. The police searched anyway. Well, we know the result of that case. You can't do it. But if the husband is going to leave his drugs, his illegal guns, and whatever at the house, and he leaves, he's taking the risk that somebody with authority will betray his trust. Finally, a part of this rule is that you can only search those things which the consenting person has common authority over. That just makes sense. If you're getting consent to search common areas of an apartment from a roommate, the roommate probably does not have common authority over his roommate's bedroom, but would have common authority over a shared bathroom, shared kitchen, living room, hallway areas, and so forth, maybe a hallway closet. If the consenting person is the wife, she most likely has common authority over the shared bedroom, everything in the garage, in the attic, in the basement. In fact, it's probably going to be rare that there's something that is not available for her, for her to allow the search, because usually spouses have common authority over the entire marital home. There could be exceptions, and you want to look for those. But generally speaking, the answer is that they have common authority because they have joint access, joint ownership, or a control. We need one of those or more of those three things. I hope this helps. You gotta give me feedback, guys. If this helps, leave comments in the YouTube, comments page. If I'm not doing a good job, tell me that too. If you want me to change it up a little bit, and so forth. You want to make them shorter, longer? Let me know what you want so I can make these useful for those, for cops out there. And again, these are for cops. I do get some non-cops on the comments page, and by the way, I do not mind this at all. But they get a little mad at me sometimes when I tell the cops the law, and it's not quite what they thought the law was. So they give me a little bit of a hard time. But I don't write the laws; I teach them. So follow me on Facebook. Follow me on YouTube and so forth. Please attend one of my training classes. I do this live, and you think that this is good? Go to my full day class. I'll blow you away. I will clear up things that you've had confusion on for 20 years. I constantly get that feedback. So go to bluetogold.com, look at the training calendar. We have online and live classes. And until next time, stay safe.
When it comes to legal training, we're the gold standard. Visit bluetogold.com or call 888-579-7796 today to purchase the Search and Seizure Survival Guide, register for a class, or learn how to bring our search and seizure training to your agency.